So the two remaining roosters from the Rooster Crew came over and tried to kick it with the hens that from the other batch, and yeah, that hen just kicked that rooster's ass. But anyways, there's a little Herschel. There's pork chop, should be going to the freezer this weekend. Then we got bacon, should be going to the freezer the first week of February. And then little red wattle. And we're keeping her to breed with little Herschel over here. We're gonna have some Hampshire crossed with red wattle. But anyways, everybody have a great day.